everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my worst slimes. So in the other video I did my favorite slimes. Now I'm going to be doing my worst slimes and the ones that I don't like. So first to start off with is this one. It has two different slimes in it. It's in a little, and it has a green ugly color. I like the color though, and it has some blue slime. It smells like watermelon, but it's like so weird, and it has pink glitter in it and stuff. It's just really oily. The glitters get on you, and it's just doesn't stick together and stuff. So you look when I put it together. I don't know about this one. I mean, it smells good, and I like the color. It's just most of the texture and the flow beads in it. So yeah. I couldn't eat the container anymore. It's the first worst slime that I have. Okay. The next one has a silly sludge container. And then here's the slime. It has a slime label on it. I made this slime last night. It's on camera it looks really ugly. Goodness, it's beautiful in real life. It's just the texture. What the heck? On the camera it looks so ugly. On here it looks like a really pretty purple. This is it's just I like the slime, it's just the texture. You know what I mean? The texture is not sticking together, and it's like a jello. It has jello textures and stuff. And then it has this old purple slime in it. And then it has a silly sludge. There's nothing in it. So, and then my next and last, not favorite slime, the worst slime, is in this Poopsie slime. It says 2019. It's a hanger. I'm probably gonna hang it on my backpack. Ew. It's really pearly and pretty, but on camera it doesn't look good. It has star glitters and heart glitters in it, and it also has pigment. It's just I actually kind of like this one. The glitters just get on your hands, so that's the only part. And it has chunks of stuff in it, like foam beads and stuff, but I still like this slime, kind of, and so it's made out of Poopsie slime also. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah.